How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Shall we start? Okay, Farnas, come on, Farnas. Kids anthem.
Limit my file, finding my potential style. Today I patch with all my all might. I share to you my potential style. Good morning, all.
Good morning, Farnas.
Good morning, Farnas.
everyone. Thank you, Farnas. But your voice was not much audible, Farnas. It was not clear to me. I don't know if it's for others too.
I don't know, ma'am. Now it's clear, huh?
Very feeble, like very far away. I'm able to hear that sound, something like that.
Okay, ma'am.
It's not
I don't
very
know why.
clear. It's not audible actually.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I think some network.
Yeah, it's breaking and it's very low, feeble. Yeah, no problem. Okay, Farnas. Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Radha.
Who is that? Let me see. Who is that?
I tell good morning.
Yeah, good morning. I told you good morning already.
Double good morning. Double good morning.
Triple good morning is already over. Okay, so shall we start the warm up? Okay, please stand up. Let me call Nukshita. Can you count from 20, Nukshita?
90, 90, 80, 7, 6, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Thank you, Nukshita.
I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
Okay, good. Come back to your place. Good morning, Janavi.
చెప్పు నీ
morning, Vihan.
Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Vihan. How are you?
I'm fine. Have a great day, ma'am.
You have a nice day, Vihan. I wish your smile lasts throughout the day today. Good, Vihan. Nice to see you smiling. Okay, let's start with the attendance now. Ready, everyone? Aiden? Devarakshita? Devkrish?
Have a good day, friends.
Good, Devkrish. Danvin?
Ma'am, have a good day,
Good,
friends.
Danvin. Dikshan? Dhruv?
Here I am. Have a good day, friends.
Parnas?
Here I am. Have a good day,
Good.
friends.
Hashini?
Here I am. Have a good day, friends. Rocket clap for ma'am. I like the song.
Okay. Thank you, Hashni. Iron? Can you sing Here I Am?
Good morning, Dada. Here I am. Yo-yo.
Good, Iron. Can you say have a good day,
Have a good day,
friends?
friends.
Janavi?
Have a good day, friends.
Good. Kartikeyan?
Yes, Radha ma'am.
Kaviyarini?
Here I am, ma'am. Have a good day, friends.
Good. Naitik?
Here I am. Have a good day, friends.
Okay. Neha? Nitila?
Here I am. Have a good day, friends.
Good. Nukshita?
Here I am. Have a good day, ma'am. Have a good day, friends.
You to have a great day, Nukshita. Pranita? Rohita?
Here I am. Have a good day, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Satvika? Sailesh is joining. Siddharth?
Here I am. Here I am. Join. Their friends.
Good, Siddharth.
This is a meeting number.
Sarnika is absent.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I've done that in every meeting. That is the number for every subject. Here I am roll up. Here I am roll left. Here I am roll right. I have a good day, friends.
Okay. Visha?
நல்லா சொல்றாங்க.
Zedi?
Here I am, ma'am. Have a good day, friends. Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you, Zedi. You got your haircut, Zedi? Not nails, hair.
Yes.
Okay, looking good, Zedi. Okay, yes. Good morning, Sailesh. How are you?
Ma'am. I am fine.
Okay. Yeah, Zedi, I can see. Okay. Tell me, Sailesh.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. So done with attendance, we'll do the rhyme time now today. Okay. Yesterday we didn't do, right? Today we'll do. So we'll start.
Ma'am, you missed.
I called you, Vivan.
Okay, you called me. Not a doctor today. What is present today? Here, walk him. Here, walk down. And what is doctor today? What is present today? Have a good day, friends.
Thank you, Vivan.
Excuse me, ma'am. I want to show you something.
Show me, show me.
Do you see this button?
Yeah, I can see the white button there.
And open it. Then look here.
Wow. There is Thor, is it? Is it Thor there?
And
ரெண்டுல நாலுமே
Captain America, Iron Man, Hulk, and Thor.
Thor, okay. I like Thor.
I have a pencil too.
Wow, that's a nice box. That's an eraser pencil. You can write it and erase it. Okay, okay,
We can put that pencil at the top.
okay.
That's the rest of top.
ஓகே ஓகே அப்படியே காட்டு போ
Very nice. Okay, now erase it. That's like a whiteboard marker, right? Very nice, Sailesh. Thank you for showing.
தேங்க்யூ மேம்
Very
Thank you,
nice.
ma'am.
Beautiful gift. Very good, Sailesh. Okay, now we'll start with the rhyme time. Please, everybody sit straight. We're going to sing all the rhymes of this culmination we learned. Okay? We'll start with I like my pencil, but I want all of it to stay on mute. Already it's a little noisy, so please, everybody put your mics on mute. Kavya, thank you, Kavya. Okay. I like my pencil. I like my pencil. But it's blunt. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt. One more time. Fast, fast. I like my pencil. I like my pencil. But it's blunt. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt. Okay. Next time, honeybee rhyme. Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee. When you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee. Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive. Then do your little jive. Then order even right. Come on, everybody. Say the even numbers that we know. That we know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The even numbers that we know. Come on, everybody. Say the odd numbers that we know. That we know. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The odd numbers that we know. The last time, save the earth. Save the earth. Global warming's everywhere. Oh, let's save the earth. Pick up all the litters to keep the earth clean. Plant the trees and water them to make the earth green. Okay. So rhyme time done. So what did we learn yesterday, children? Can anybody give me a quick recap? Yeah.
Wild animals.
We revised. Yes, we revised wild animals and domestic animals. Then.
Then
Hmm.
odd number even rhymes.
Did we do odd number, even number? Okay.
BBC word.
One by one. One by one, I'll call you. Pranita, tell me what did we do yesterday, Pranita?
Friends.
Things I didn't know. Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. Okay. Sadie, what did we do yesterday?
CBC, ma'am.
CVC words. Good. Siddharth, what did we do yesterday?
Accent, ma'am.
Accent. Then why did you raise your hand? I thought you were raising your hand. Nice thing.
No, ma'am.
No, you didn't. Okay.
Buggy.
Very good. Very good, Naitik. We read a buggy story. Yes. Okay, Tanvir.
Buggy story. Try again.
Yeah, the moral of the buggy story is try again. Never give up. Okay. Yes. Anybody else remember what did we learn yesterday?
Then buggy story in the moral is try, not cry for that.
Yes, try. Don't cry for it. That's the moral of the buggy story. We learned sight words. Okay. So quickly again today also we'll revise sight words and new sight words. Okay. The one which we learned already. Quickly we will revise. Okay. The first, I want all of you to look onto the screen what I'm showing and open your mouth and say along with me. Okay. The first one. Yes, Siddharth. What is
You.
You. Y-O-U. You. Okay. This word is you. Y-O-U. You. All of you, please stay on mute. Open your mouth and say it along with me. Thank you, Siddharth. Y-O-U. You. So when you have Y-O-U, it is, show your finger, then you will remember. You. You. Y-O-U. You. Okay. Next one. Farnas, what is this?
We. W. We.
Very good.
We.
Fantastic. W-E. We. We are learning in this class. We. W-E. We. Good, Farnas. Devkish.
We are going to play.
Yes, we are going to play.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Devkish, what is this?
The.
The. T-H-E. The. Okay. Some will call as the or it is the. Okay. The water, the table, the student, the chair. So T-H-E is the. T-H-E. The. Vihan, please open your mouth and say T-H-E. The. Okay. So far you have seen 3 words. W-E. We. Y-O-U. You. T-H-E. The. Okay. The next one, let me call Janavi.
Then is that?
And.
Siddharth, why are you unmuting Siddharth? Please
You
don't unmute. We have to give chance for others too. Yeah, Janavi.
Yes, ma'am. B.
It's D or B?
B.
D. Okay. What is this?
And.
And. Okay. And the.
And. The. And.
And. Okay. Janavi and I are friends. Or Janavi and I are friends. So and. I like apple and grapes. And. That and. A-N-D. And. Okay. A-N-D. And. You want to say something, Janavi?
No, ma'am, she's playing with the pop-up covers, ma'am.
Oh, Janavi. After the class, you can play, okay? A-N-D. And. Next, let me call Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
H.
Very good. H-E. He. H-E. He. Good, Nukshita. Iron.
சொல்லு.
Two.
T.
T.
O.
O.
Two.
Two.
T-O-2. Okay. T-O-2. I go to the school. I go to the room. 2. T-O-2. Okay. There is one more two. Can anybody help me? What is the spelling for the one more two?
W2.
Yeah, TWO2. That's number two. That's number two.
CO2.
Yeah, we have three twos actually. TO, TOO, and TWO. Okay. This two is I go to the park. I go to the school. That two. TWO is the number two. 1, 2. TWO. Okay. That two you will learn later. Next, Dhruv. What is this, Dhruv?
G-O-U.
Huh? What is sound of G? What is sound of G?
जी का नो जी का साउंड क्या है?
No. What is sound of
Go.
G? So G-O.
Gu.
गो जियो
Gu.
Go. G-O.
Go.
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 Okay. Go. That go. Okay. I think.
Yes, ma'am.
राइट है
A-L-L.
हां मेरा आई डोंट नो
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. A-L-L. All. All of us are in the class. All. A-L-L. All. All of us are good children, right? All. Okay. A-L-L. All. A-L-L. All. Next. Zaidi.
Yes, ma'am. S-H-E-C.
What is the sound of SH?
SH का sound.
Good. Okay. So S-H-E.
C. She.
She. Fantastic, Zaidi. Good. She. S-H-E. She. Okay. Now, for those who didn't get chance, Vivan. Vivan.
Say again.
A-L-L. All.
Very good. Nitila.
असलन से
S-I-E. She.
Do you have I here?
H-I-H.
आइज
S-H-E. What is this?
S.
राइट என்னது
She.
She. Sailesh.
G-O-Go.
Go. Good. Ashini. Anu.
Yes, ma'am. T-O-2.
Very good. Bihan.
He.
Very good. Rohita.
A. A.
Next.
B. A. N. B.
B అది no.
A.
An
N. 10.
ఏంటి an after letter
A, N. And what is the last letter? Is it B or D?
A.
లాస్ట్ లెటర్ ఏంటి
E.
It's not B, it's D.
D.
D. And.
చెప్పు and
And.
A, N, D. And.
A. N. D. And.
Then with
Yakida.
T, H, E, the. Kaviyani.
U.
You. Okay. Good. So these are some of the sight words. We, you, the, and.
Ma'am, Pranita.
Yeah, Pranita.
H.
What is under H? He.
He.
What is he? Okay, he. This one.
Two.
Very good, Brenda. Thank you, Brenda. So this is 2. The next one, go. G-O, go. S-H-E, she. A-L-L, all of us together. All. A-L-L, all. Y-O-U, you. And last one, W-E-V. W-E-V. Okay. So done with sight words. So today we are going to revise 2 concepts. Yesterday we revised the baby animals and their baby names. Nobody told me that. We revised animals and their baby names. Today we are going to revise birds and male and female animals. Okay. So shall we start? Are we all ready? Okay. So we are going to revise animal, like we have boy, girl, mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, like that. We have ma'am, sir, like that. We are going to learn the male and female of animals. Okay. So the boy is called cock and the girl is called hen or chicken. Okay. So boy is called cock and the girl is called hen or chicken. Okay. The baby is called chick. The next one, tiger. The boy, the male is called tiger. The girl is called tigress. Tiger, tigress, and the baby is called tiger cub. Again, cub. Okay, tiger, tigress, cub. Then we come to cow. So the boy is called bull. The boy is called bull. Please open your mouth. Only then you will remember. Okay. The boy is called bull. The girl is called cow. And the baby is called calf. Okay. One more time. Cock, hen, chick. Cock, hen, chick. Tiger, tigress, cub. Tiger, tigress, cub. Are you all opening your mouth and repeating? Good. Bull, cow, calf. Bull, cow, calf. Lion. The boy is called lion. The girl is called lioness. And the baby is called cub. Lion, lioness, cub. Lion, lioness, cub. Okay. Now for dog, the boy is called dog and the girl is called bitch. Bitch. Okay. Here T is silent. Okay. See here ch sound. So we have CH here. Okay. Ch sound. Dog, bitch, puppy. Dog, bitch, puppy. The same way deer. Boy is called deer. Girl is called doe. And then baby is called fawn. Oh, fawn, yes. Deer, doe, and fawn. Deer, doe, and fawn. So these are animals, boy animal, girl animal, and their baby. Okay. So then we shall do a quick recap. Okay, it's open for everyone. I'll just ask you, if you know the answer, you can say. Okay. What is the girl lion called as? Female lion called as? Lioness. Okay. The game is, when I show thumbs up, you're going to stop saying after that. You should not say after that, okay? Then what is the girl tiger called as? So the girl tiger is called
What is
as
fire?
tigress. Tigress. Okay. Then what is the tiger? I showed thumbs up, so I want all to stay on mute after that. Then what is the boy for bitch? What is it? Boy for bitch. Dog. Okay, dog. And then the girl dog is called bitch. Okay. So boy is called dog. The girl is called bitch. The boy is called dog and the girl is called bitch. Okay. The boy is called lion. The girl is called lioness. The boy is called tiger. The girl is called tigress. Okay. What is boy for cow? What is the boy for cow? Bull. Yes. Yes. The boy is called bull. The girl is called cow. Okay. So all clear, everyone? Yes. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We are going to revise odd or even. So is anybody there in my class who don't know odd or even, right? Come on, everybody. Does anybody in my class who don't know odd or even, right? Everybody know, right? Everybody knew that, right? Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a number in my slate. Okay. And then I'm going to show you the card. You're going to read it. Okay. So this one, E-V-E-N, even. O-D-D, odd. Okay. So I'll show you the spelling. Okay. If it's odd, you're going to say odd and read out the spelling. If it's even, you're going to read out the spelling for even. Okay. I'll tell you what we should do. First is a trial. Okay. So I want all of it to stay on mode. No opening the mouth now. Okay. I write the number 8. So when I write the number 8, you're going to think what 8 is. I said, please everybody wait. You are going to think what 8 is. 8. Come on, everybody say the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The even numbers that we know. Okay. So 8 is even. So when I show the card, you're going to read the spelling even. E-V-E-N. Okay. Now I'm going to write the number 5. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The odd numbers that we know. So 5 is odd. So you will read the spelling O-D-D, odd. Is that clear for everyone what we are going to do? Is anybody not clear? Yes, that is clear. Danvin is clear about what we are going to do. Sadie, not clear? Yeah, clear. Okay, Hashni is clear. Kavyani is clear about what we're going to do. Ready, everyone? Quickly, we'll do. Okay, I want all of you to get the chance for this activity. So let's start with Irene. Irene, what is the number I have written here, Irene?
1, ma'am.
1. What is 1? Odd or even?
Odd.
Okay, odd. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The odd numbers that we know. Please read the spelling for odd.
O-D-D.
Odd.
Odd.
Good, Irene. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this number?
4.
Odd or even?
Even.
Even?
No.
Odd. Can you sing the rhyme and check? Come on.
Come on, everybody. Say the even numbers that we know. That we know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 4.
So what is 4? Odd or even?
Odd. Even.
Even? Sure?
Sure.
Okay, read up the spelling for even.
E-V-E-N.
Even.
Even.
Yesterday you weren't feeling well. Are you okay today, Kavyayani?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Dhanvan?
Yes, ma'am. Three.
Odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. Read out the spelling for odd.
O-D-D. Odd.
Good, Dhanvan. Fantastic. Next, Janavi.
Yes, ma'am. 5. Some are everybody. Say the on numbers that we know. One thing I have a 9. On number.
Odd number. Read the spelling for odd.
O-D-D. Odd.
Very good. Very good, Janavi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Janavi. Naitik?
Yes, ma'am.
Number वाइके
9.
Odd or even?
Odd.
Read the spelling for odd.
O-D-D. Odd.
Fantastic, Naitik. Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Read number
2, 4, 6, 10. Net odd numbers that we know.
Exactly the opposite you're singing. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The even numbers that we know. Okay, 2 is even.
say 2 is even number
2 is even.
Read the spelling for even.
even spelling
E-V-E-N. Even.
Good, Dhruv. Rohita? Rohita?
Radham, I'm sorry to interrupt. Iron, where are you? What are you doing?
I'm doing.
Irene, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
After the session, we'll play with the balloons and all. Okay, listen the session now. Okay? Good girl. Yes. Thank you, Radhama.
Thanks. Yeah, Rohita, what is his number? Rohita, can you unmute and tell me, Rohita?
Okay, ma'am.
What is his number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is his number?
7.
7. What is 7? Odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. Read out the spelling for odd.
ఆర్ట్ స్పెల్లింగ్ చెప్పు
E.
నో అప్ప ఇది
O.
మ్యామ్ ఇట్ నాట్ విజిబుల్ ఓకే మ్యామ్
D. D. D.
ఓడిడి
O-D-D.
Odd. Odd. Okay. Vihan?
Yes, ma'am.
6 even or odd?
2, 4, 6. Even.
Even. Read out the spelling for even.
E-V-E-N. Even.
Good, Vihan. Very good. Devvish?
Thank you, ma'am.
என்னதான் கூப்பிட்டாங்க say yes ma'am
What is his number?
8.
Odd or even?
Even.
Can you read the spelling for even?
E-V-E-N. Even.
Good, Devvish. Ashini?
Yes, ma'am. One is the odd number.
Okay. Spelling was
ODD, odd.
good. Rukshita,
Yes, ma'am. Find odd number.
Here is the spelling for odd.
ODD, odd.
Very good, Nukshita. Pranita,
Yes, ma'am.
Odd number.
what number is this, Pranita?
Good enough.
Odd numbers, ma'am.
What is this number?
9.
9. Okay, what is spelling for odd?
ODD, odd.
Good, Pranita. Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am. 8.
what are you?
Even.
Even. Good,
Even.
Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth. Parnas,
2 is even number.
even number. What is spelling for even?
E E E E E N Even.
Parnas. Very good. Okay.
Like that.
Pranita, Pranita, please stay on mute, Pranita. Sailesh, thank you, Pranita.
என்ன நம்பர் 4 ஆடா ஈவனா கத்தி சொல்லு
Even.
Even.
சொல்லுங்க
You know the spelling for even?
E V E N.
Good. Nitila,
3, ma'am.
3 is odd or even?
Order him.
என்ன நம்பர் ஆட் நம்பரா ஈவன் நம்பரா
Odd number, ma'am.
Odd number. Can you read the spelling for odd?
ODD, odd.
Very good, Nitila. Vivan,
Ma'am. 8.
Odd or even?
Even.
can you spell this?
E V E N. Even.
Good, Vivan. Zedi,
Yes, ma'am. 7. 7.
odd or even?
I'm Ramsman. Come on, everybody, say the even number that we know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That we know. The even number that we know.
Okay. Come on.
Come on, everybody, say the even number.
Odd.
Odd numbers that we know. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yes.
So what it is? What is 7?
Odd.
Odd. Fantastic. Very good. What is the spelling for odd?
O D D.
Good, Sadie. Very good. Okay. Fantastic. Did everybody get a chance to find odd or even? Is anybody there who hasn't got the chance? No, everybody got a chance. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So now quickly we will revise birds and reptiles. Okay, you remember, children, what are reptiles? Anybody who remember what are reptiles? Nukshita remembers what are reptiles. Please. I want all of you to stay on mute except Nukshita. Please. Thank you. Yeah, Nukshita, tell me.
Lizard, crocodile.
That's it? Okay. Yeah, Siddharth, what are reptiles?
Crawls on the ground.
Very good. That crawls on the ground. Good answer, Siddharth. Danvin, what are reptiles?
They will crawl.
They'll crawl on the ground. Okay. Parrot, reptile.
No.
No. Cow, a reptile.
No.
No. Okay. Devkrish, what are reptiles?
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Alligator,
Hmm.
crocodile.
Hmm. That's it, you remember. Okay. So I'll say few animals. Okay. If they are reptiles, you will show thumbs up. If they are not reptile, you'll show thumbs down. So to do a quick recap, animals which crawls on the ground. They don't walk with the legs. They crawl on the ground are called reptiles. Okay. Like snake, lizard, chameleon, salamander, crocodile, alligator, turtle, all these will crawl on the ground. They will not walk with legs like giraffe and lion and elephant. Okay. So reptiles are animals which crawl on the ground. Okay. So ready everyone? Let's play a quick game. So you're going to listen. When I say a reptile, when it's not a reptile, thumbs down. Okay. Mouse. Mouse. Mouse is not a reptile. Okay. Rohita, come on, Rohita. Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe is a reptile for us. No, it walks. It has a very tall neck and long legs. It walks. It doesn't crawl on the floor. Okay. Giraffe, not a reptile. Elephant. Elephant, not a reptile. Snake. Yes, snake crawls on the ground. Snake a reptile. Salamander. Salamander. Yes. Lizard. Yes. Chameleon. Yes. Turtle. Yes. Crocodile. Yes. Alligator. Yes. Vihan. No. We have not. He doesn't crawl. Okay. Now I'll show you some pictures. We'll revise it. Okay. For those who have not remembering so far. Yeah. So we learned some of the reptiles like snake, alligator, crocodile, lizard, turtle, chameleon. Okay. So you remember one property of chameleon, what I taught you? What is chameleon?
It will change color.
Fantastic. Yes, good Siddharth and Sailesh. Yes. Chameleon, yeah, it will do a camouflage. Yeah, when it sits on any objects, it will try to change its body, color of its body to that same color of the object. Okay, that's chameleon. So we are revising reptiles now. I have some more reptiles. So crocodile, lizard, snake, turtle and tortoise. Newt, that's something a family of lizard. This you don't consider. Will revise only what we know. Okay, salamander. That's it. Okay, so we are revising reptiles, crocodile, lizard, snake, turtles, and salamander. Okay, crocodiles, alligator, lizard, snake, turtles, and salamander. All these are reptiles. And you remember we learned about amphibians, children. We also learned about amphibians, right? How many of you remember? Ah, yes, very good. Good, yes, good, Harshni, Devkrish, Danvin, Sailesh, Parnas, and everyone. So amphibians are animals which lives both in land and in water. Yes, the animals which lives both in land and water are called amphibians. If you see amphibians, the spelling is PH, but we are pronouncing it as amphibians. Amphibians, but the sound is right PH. So those
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Siddharth.
I say types of frogs.
You want to say the life cycle of frog?
Yes.
We will do it next class. That time you can say. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, remind me. So those are animals which lives both in land and what are called amphibians. Okay. So now we'll do a small game now. Shall we do a small game? Okay. So when I say, no, not that. When I say cup, you're going to hold a cup like this. When I say saucer, you're going to tap it like this. Okay? Ready? And then,
What is saucer?
huh?
What is saucer?
What is saucer? Good question. Saucer is a small plate on which you keep the cup. That's saucer. I'll show you tomorrow if I can get it. Okay? Or else if I get the picture, I'll show you. Okay? Cup is a small one with a handle, and saucer is a small plate on which you keep the cup. Okay? Good question, Hashni. So we are going to do cup and saucer. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Cup.
I am ready.
Cup. Saucer. Give me a second. Cup. Saucer. Cup. Saucer. Saucer. Cup. Saucer. Cup. 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 Saucer. Saucer. Cup. 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 Saucer. Cup. Saucer. Cup. Saucer. Cup. Saucer. Saucer. Okay. So, and one more thing. We'll do the big fish and small fish. Okay? Big fish, small fish. Big fish, small fish. Okay? Okay, listen to the words which I say carefully so that you will not miss it. Ready? Big fish, small fish. Big fish, small fish. Big fish. Come on, Pranita. Small fish. Small fish. Ah, Danvir. Dev fish, I saw you did big fish. Dev fish, I saw. I'm not sure about Danvir. Okay. Ready? Small fish. Small fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Small fish. Big fish. Small fish. Small fish. Ah, Zedi. Big fish. Small fish. Small fish. Small fish. Small fish. Small fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Small fish. Small fish. Good, children. Okay. So now what we'll do, we revise birds. Okay. I think last week we learned about birds from the talk time. So we'll do a quick recap about birds. So birds are of two types. Flying birds, flightless birds. Okay. And we also learned about parts of the bird. We learned about flying birds, flightless birds. And we'll revise that now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You're excused. Tell me. Then when?
Endangered bird.
Endangered birds. Yes, we learned endangered birds. Do you remember those two birds?
And hit the vulture.
And
Pink-headed duck.
very good.
Plane.
Very good. Fantastic. I would love to give a big warm clap for you, Tanvir. Yes, very good. Yes, endangered animals. That's we'll do tomorrow. Okay. So we learned about endangered birds. Yes, we learned on that. Okay. So we learned about birds which can fly and birds which cannot fly. We learned about high flying birds, and then as Danvin said, we learned about endangered birds too. Okay, and there is one extinct bird. What is that, children? One extinct bird. Yeah.
Dodo.
Yeah, dodo. Very good. So we learned about birds. This is parakeet. It belongs to the family of parrots. Okay, it'll be like parrots. It has eyes, and the mouth of the birds are called beak, and birds have legs too. Okay, so the parts of the birds are head. Touch your head. Head, eyes, beak, feather, wings, legs, Those are the parts of the bird. Okay. So the first one we saw was parakeet. Belongs to the family of parrot, but comes in different colors. Okay. It also eats small fruits, nuts like the parrot. And parakeet lives in desert. Parakeet lives in desert.
No.
Yeah, very good. Yes. Perfect. Parakeet loves to live in rainforest, the places where there is lot of trees and fruits and vegetables. So it loves to stay in forest. So parakeet lives in forest. The next one, kiwi. Is kiwi a flying bird?
Raspberry kiwi.
Yeah, good Farnas. Kiwi is a flightless bird. Kiwi cannot fly. Yeah, kiwi is a flightless bird. The next one, ostrich. Ostrich.
Flightless.
It is thank you everyone. It is a flightless bird. It is very huge, it has a long neck. It is a very good runner. It can run very fast. It cannot fly. Why it cannot fly? Because it is very huge and feathers will not help. The wings will not be very long for it to fly. Okay, and it's very heavy too. The next, so ostrich lives in grassland. Yeah. Yes, ostrich lives in desert. Okay, the next one, vulture. Vulture. So vulture is a bird which flies very high. Yeah, it's a flying bird. It's a high flying bird. It flies very high and searches for the prey. So it is a flying bird. Vulture is a flying bird. So ostrich and kiwi are flightless bird, not flying birds. Kiwi and ostrich. Vulture, flying bird. And then we learnt about high flying birds and low flying birds. Do you remember what are high flying birds, children? Vivan, do you remember? Vulture, eagle. Then Eagle, vulture, and then swan. You remember we learned about swan, high flying bird, whereas crow, pigeon, parrot cannot fly very high like the other ones. Okay, emu is a not flying bird. Emu cannot fly. Okay, Hashni, emu is a flightless bird. So now I just wanted to show you. Give me a minute. Anybody wants to drink water? You can drink water. A small break. You can drink water. So this is cup with a handle and the bottom plate. This is called saucer. This plate, no. This is called. Yeah, Naitik. Yeah, Naitik is showing us. Yeah, Naitik. Show us the cup, Naitik. Cup with a handle. Yeah, that's the cup with the handle. And show the saucer one. Saucer. Keep the cup down slowly. That's saucer. Is it clear for everyone what is cup and saucer? So cup and saucer will always be in pairs. They will match. Okay. Yeah, you have to drink it like that, Naitik. Correct. Thank you, Naitik, for helping me. Yeah, like that, Janavi. Okay. So now what we'll do a small worksheet, children. Okay. SRD99PH worksheet. Can you please take SRD99PH worksheet? I'll share the worksheet now. And to just remind you, tomorrow we have dictation on the CVC words. So please practice those words and come back. Okay?
Ma'am?
Yeah, Dhruv, I know you're traveling to Delhi, so you'll not be taking up the test tomorrow. Is that right?
I want to go washroom.
Yeah, please go, Dhruv. You don't have to ask me. Please go. Please take SRD 99 children and 99 PH worksheet.
We already done this. Yeah.
No, if you have done, we have not done it in the class.
Ma'am, we done it last week, ma'am. On 29th, we have done it, ma'am.
29th we have done.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Is it done, ma'am?
I don't remember. Okay, then that's fine.
See, but
On 29th, we did this worksheet, ma'am. In class
Okay.
only we did, ma'am.
In class, huh? Okay. Okay, then that's fine then. Then we will revise CVC words. Please close the worksheet, children. No need to write anything. I thought we didn't do. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, can you see my screen? So we are going to revise I words today. Okay, I. What is sound of I, children? What is the phonic sound of I? Sound of I is E as in igloo. Okay, so the first one. Let me call one by one. You can read. Aiden is absent. Devfish. Devfish, can you read the first word, Devfish? This one.
This one.
Hmm. Lip. Okay. Danvin.
அவ்வளவு சொல்ல வேணாம். சொல்லு.
Rip. Okay. Good. Dhruv.
Ma'am, Dhruv is in washroom, ma'am.
Oh, I'm sorry. Parnas. I'm sorry. Parnas. Hmm.
Ma'am, which one to read, ma'am?
This one I've highlighted here. I don't know if I can get this.
It's not visible.
It's not visible. I words.
I was okay.
This one.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to bathroom.
Yes, you may go.
Fish.
Read. Phonics special.
F. E.
Mm.
Isk.
It's not isk.
Pronunciation lacking, ma'am. That's-
Okay, no problem. Tell me. What is that?
Isk.
Fix. Okay. Fix.
Fisk.
Ick is. Parnas.
I tried many times, ma'am.
Okay.
Taking time.
Okay. No problem. Can you read next one, Parnas?
Wig.
Very good. Wig. Okay. Hashini.
Yes,
Good,
ma'am.
Parnas.
Sit.
Good. Iron.
Hey, what? Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this? What is this?
Juice, ma'am.
Juice. Okay, how do you drink the juice?
What is that?
How do you drink the juice?
Water, juice, and drink my.
Okay, you will mix water and drink it. And like, how do you keep it in the mouth? You'll sip it, right? Sip. S-I-P. Can you read it? S.
S.
I.
I-P.
Sip.
Sip.
Sip. Sip.
It's sip.
Sip. Okay. Jahnavi.
P-I-N.
Pranny?
Yes, ma'am. In bean. Bean.
Bean or bin?
Bin.
Bin. Okay. Naitik?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Six.
Analyst.
6. Okay. Good. Nikhila?
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi nila si F lang.
L
Mm.
I N
Ah. F-I-N.
F-I-N.
Mm. In.
Fun.
Infant. Can you do the next one, Nithila?
Next one.
S.
நல்லா சொல்லு. Hi.
Action.
Ah.
E.
I-T.
I.
Mm. I-T என்னது?
I-T. It.
Ah.
Okay.
It.
It hurt.
சத்தமா.
Hit.
Hit.
Hit. Okay. Rukshita?
Yes.
This one, Rukshita.
I-G. Ig.
Okay. Ig.
Ig.
Very good, Rukshita. Egg, dig. Pranita? Pranita? Pranita, I can't see. Rohita? Rohita, also I can't see. Okay. Silesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this, Silesh?
D. I.
Mm.
P.
Mm.
Dip.
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 Okay, can you do the next one, Silesh, without any help? Come on.
R. I. D.
Okay. What is sound of R?
B.
ஆரோட சவுண்ட் என்ன?
What is sound of I?
சவுண்ட் ஆஃப் ஐ.
E.
Very good. What is sound of B?
B.
E. B. Ib. Ib.
One.
இப். அங்க சொல்லி என்கிட்ட ஏன் பாரு.
Rib. The next one, Silesh.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm going to restroom.
Yes, Ashini, you may go. Yeah, Silesh. Next one.
ஸ்பெல்லிங் படி.
P. I. P. I. G.
என்னது?
Pig.
Pig. Okay.
போய் பண்ண சொல்ல போறேன்.
Siddharth. Siddharth is there. No. Vihan.
ఇది చదువు.
ఇదా? P. E. T. Pit.
Wonderful. Very good. Vivan.
What are y'all going to read?
This one.
C-E-T. Jet.
What is sound of J?
J.
Okay. Jet. Jet. Zedi. Zedi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, read this, Zedi, please. This one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
This. P.
Mm.
P-E-T. Pit.
What is sound of E?
What is sound of E?
E.
A. Pa-et.
Pet.
The next one, Zedi.
This one.
G. L.
Mm.
E. G.
What is sound of L?
E.
What is sound of E?
What is sound of E?
A.
Very good. What is sound of G?
G.
Egg. Egg.
Gig.
Leg.
Egg. Leg. Okay. The next one, Zedi. The next one, last one. Okay. With this, we'll finish.
S.
Hmm.
E.
Hmm.
T.
Very good. What is sound of S? No. What is sound of S? Tricky one. Come on. Okay. What is sound of E?
A.
A. Okay. What is sound of T?
What is sound of T?
T.
T.
Oh.
Et. One more time.
It. Set.
Set. Good. Okay. So please. Okay. So everybody got to read. Okay. There. Dhruv wasn't there. Dhruv, did you come back?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dhruv, would you like to read the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on. Read this, Dhruv. This one.
This one you read. Green color. Yeah.
W.
W. E. B.
W. Yes.
What is
W.
it?
E.
What is sound of W?
Bed.
Web. It's not D. It is B. It's B.
Web.
Web. Okay, this is B, children. Okay, many of you are getting confused with B and D. This is B. 1 and then 0 is B. Okay, this is B. Web. This one, Dhruv. The last one. This one.
H-E-N. Hen.
Hen. Okay. Okay, so with that, we are finishing the class today. Thank you so much. So tomorrow, come prepared with the dictation words. And if we have any, the sheets which are not filled, dictation words sheet in your workbook, please get that. If not, we'll write in the rough note. Okay, just check and let me know if you have any pages like dictation and we have not used it in our workbook. If so, we can use it, or else we can use the side page or the rough note for dictation tomorrow. Is that clear? Any questions? So what did we do? We did so much today, right? We revised birds today. We revised reptiles today. We revised odd and even today. Then what else?
Amphibians.
Amphibians, boy and girl animal names, and then reptiles, and then finally the odd even. Yes, good.
Now cup and saucer.
Cup and saucer game we played, and you all got to know what is saucer and cup. That thanks to Naitik and Hasri for the question. Okay, then thank you. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.